Zion angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion open gate, forever ruling, strong and free. Throne of Jah eternity. Throne of Zion stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah the righteous dream. No man can bribe, no man can sway. Throne of Zion here to stay. It lift the humble, lift the meek. Throne of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never wrong. Throne of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time to endless day. Throne of Zion light the way. Me hear the thunder, hear the flame. Throne of Zion call Jah name. It judge the wicked, heal the pure. Throne of Jah forever sure. No Babylon can shake or bend. Throne of Zion have no end. Forever shining, pure and true. Throne of Jah for me and you. It guide the nations, guide the land. Throne of Zion firm hand. It stand above the fleet in power. Throne of Jah eternal tower. Forever blazing, never dim. Throne of Zion only him. Everlasting, ever near. Throne of Jah forever clear. When the trumpet sound again, Throne of Zion still remain. It shine eternal, never fall. Throne of Jah fi one and all. Forever strong, forever pure. Throne of Zion always sure. Holy light and holy song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion wear the crown. No hate, no war can shake away. Throne of Jah forever stay. Throne of Zion stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah the righteous dream. From age to age, from night to day. Throne of Zion never sway. Ay, 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 Zion Reggae. Upon the head of righteous one, crown of Zion like the sun. Not of silver, not of gold, shine with peace. Crown of Jah bring sweet release. Forever pure, forever true. Crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the bliss. Crown of Zion, call your name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Crown of truth, all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul. Crown of Jah, make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Crown eternal, Jah has made. Me see the elder bow in prayer. Crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon. Crown of Jah no fading soon. Forever holy, never wrong. Crown of Zion ever strong. Upon the head of chosen true. Crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can take away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It shine eternal, shine divine. Crown of Jah forever mine. It bless the children, bless the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. Forever shining bright and free. Crown of Jah for you and me. When the trumpet sound at last. Crown of Zion ever fast. It blaze eternal, never gone. Crown of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time till endless day. Crown of Zion light the way. Holy glory, holy song. Crown of Jah forever strong. Shine bright, shine high. Crown of Zion fill the sky. No thief, no chain can steal away. Crown of Jah forever stay. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Crown of Zion ever worn. Na na, na 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 Zion reggae, yeah man. River flow from holy ground. Zion water all around. It heal the thirsty, heal the weak. River truth all people seek. Forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by me side. Eternal current, never dry. River Zion flowing high. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse me soul. Forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me. From mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide. Me see the a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong. Eternal flow from throne above. River Zion, water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion, holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day. Forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through. It wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way. Forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It call the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay. River of Zion, pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. From dawn of time to final day. River Zion never stray. Na Zion Ragga, yeah man. Holy city shining bright. City of Zion full of light. Streets of peace and gates of gold. City story never old. No crime, no war, no pain to bear. City of Jah forever care. Every house a song of love. City shining high above. City of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land. City built by Jah hand. It glow at night, it shine by day. City of Zion holy way. No hunger there, no thirst, no fight. Shine with holy light. It call the children, call the meek. City truth all people seek. Forever standing, never fall. City of Jah, feel we all. Me walk the street of righteous flame. City chant Jah holy name. It bless the humble, bless the kind. City of Jah, eternal mind. No wicked plan, no Babylon rule. City of Zion, holy school. Forever shining bright and clear. City of Jah forever near. It echo drum, it echo song. City of Zion stands so long. It heal the heart, it lift the From dawn of time till trumpet play, city of Zion always stay. Zion Reggae. Even the night and the moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells a story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old, tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi is strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow. Zion Ragga inna the house, yeah man. Oh, deep in the night, under moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell Jah's story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old, tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drums still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta, loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last from root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush climb the path with steady pace. Feel just sunlight on me face. It warm me heart, it lift me soul. Make the broken spirit whole. It show the road fit trod in peace. Tell the war and hate fi cease. Every shadow fade away when Zion light begin fi stay. Babylon try fi hide the beam, but Jah light cut through the scheme. It pierce the lies, it break the chain. It heal the heart and ease the pain. No mountain tall, no valley deep can block the light Jah children keep. It shine through ages, strong and true. Light fi guide both me and you. Me see the youth, them lift them high. Watch the light fill up the sky. It teach them hope, it teach them love. Blessing from the one above. No greed, no hate can make it dim. This light forever come from him. It call we all to righteous plan. Light of Jah fi every man. When the evening start to fall, still the light will bless us all. It glow through night till morning come, beating rhythm like the drum. From first creation till the end, light of Zion we defend. It lead the way till kingdom near and Babylon disappear. Shine high, shine low, everywhere the people go. Break chain, break night, fill the world with holy light. No storm, no wall can hide the beam. Light of Zion reign supreme. Light of Mount Zion bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead we through the storm and fight. Keep we walking in Jah light. From mountain top to ocean floor. Light of Zion forevermore. Na 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 Rasta. Strong meditate, yeah man. Oh, oh. Wake up with the morning sun pa me skin. Breeze from the ocean, me soul begin. Me wash me face in river divine. Thank Jah for the bread for this blessed time. Me sip me roots tea, me chant a prayer, burn a little sage, cleanse the air. The world full of noise, but me heart stay clear. Me step with peace, me carry no fear. Me wear me crown, me lock so long. Every strand carry just song. Me no rush, me move so strong. In a balance, that's where me belong. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. In a the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can't defeat. Me no chase riches or Babylon lies. Me plant me food under open skies. Me build me home with me own two hands. Me live simply like Zion man. Me play roots rhythm on the vinyl wheel. Me feel the dub, me spirit heal. Me children learn from nature school. Them grow strong, them live by Jah rule. No toxin in a me plate, just title food me cultivate. The body a temple, clean and great. Me give Jah praise, me elevate. me tune. Me walk with job, me heart immune. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can defeat. Gold chain, but me rich in joy. Me feel no pain. Me family close, me soul sustain. Rain or shine, me still remain. Me read from the book of wisdom days. Me reason deep in ancient ways. Me sight up Zion in a purple haze. Me chant for peace, me chant for praise. And when Babylon try confuse, me just sitting on me view. Mountains teach me what to do. Hold the line and walk it through. Me ride me bike down country road. Me carry herbs, me share the load. Me greet me elders, me speak me code. In a Rasta rhythm, me life unfold. Me know me mission, spread Jah light. Through music, love, and ganja right. Me voice a spark in this endless night. Me shine for people, me chant them right. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. From Africa to Yarden Street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta stand tall, Babylon can't delete. So come follow the way of nature, peace and night today. With reggae sweet and ganja blaze, we lift the world in righteous praise. Hey, 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 hey.
chanting to the sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong, like the path for we to trod. Keep we walking close to God, from the hills to city street. Fire warm the people's feet. It called the youth feel rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blazing Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Urban harmony, balance divine, me soul align in just sunshine. Call up the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whispering at the trees. Urban harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just breath and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Nyabinghi beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east, me look within. Fi find me peace, meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Urban harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call up creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion, we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until the kingdom come. Call up the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul will never die.
Ay, ganja. Deep in a this fetka. Yeah man. Me step on soil where ancestors bleed. Them spirit guide me every deed. Roots deep, me can't forget. Babylon tremble when we reset. Them a build up the tower high, but roots crack concrete touch the sky. Them say control is all them know, but nature teach we how we grow. Them a sell illusion, sell fake gold, but me say wisdom nah get old. Me link with earth, me link with star. Babylon can't define who me are. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom anthem forever played. The youth them wise, the youth them bold. Can't fool them with lie them told. Every system soon collapse. like sand slipping through them grasp. The mountain watch, the river run, truth shine bright like morning sun. Them a spy, them a scheme, but we live up the highest dream. Them say be quiet, stay small, but me voice echo through them wall. We not ask permission, fee be free. We claim the birthright destiny. From Africa, straight to yard. We connect like lion guard. Roots rebellion, sound the call. Stand firm, now fear the fall. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We not bow, we not bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We not lose, we not fade. Freedom anthem forever played. Me chant for the mother, me chant for the child. For all who Babylon make wild. Me chant for the healer, for the poor, for the ones knocking on freedom door. Every drum beat, a signal clear. This system day of reckoning near. Hold tight to the roots, me friend. Rebellion righteous till the end. So rise up now, hear the call. Roots rebellion for one and all. The chains break, the spirit fly. We free under just sky. Wait, what drew rebellion? Aliviada.
Badabim Badabum, Rastafari sip coconut and rum. Weeds in Chagaini, Rastafari sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight, me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call your name. Me see the world through herb-filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation, pon the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm we rise again. The city fast, but I man slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trad with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rasta man voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games, but I and I nah play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light, full of protection. Meditation, one sacred sound. Rasta wisdom, all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae heal the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders and the mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round, feel listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me nah preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words are gift. Jah bless me lips, from roots to crown. Me ground it strong, me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand from sunrise to the moon above. Me hold it steady, one spliff, one love, yeah.
Na na na, down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the tide. Each ripple speak in a sacred code, like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb a bun low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound, just roots and healing all around. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a just sky. River na the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draw for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. Me find the message, me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy a grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jaja grace. Me tread slope on healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden, me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me so like morning light. River in a heart, so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, both dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing. No strife, me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and thing get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the noise, the fast, the blind. Come find the river in your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him, holy will. River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall, I'd say.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me sight you on the corner, sunlight in your eyes. Barefoot queen, you're walking with no disguise. Like swinging sweet, like rhythm in a breeze. Me heart skip a beat, me knees get weak with ease. Your
smile shine like a Kingston sunrise. Natural beauty, no need for lies. Me never know love like this before. You open me soul, you open me door. Me say, Empress, where you from? She says, Zion, me brethren at Babylon. Me laugh and me light one up. Together we sip from the healing cup. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. Me take her down to Portland side, on the cliffs where ocean collide. We build a little shack fi stay, cook ital food and dance all day. She read psalms and me string guitar. She roll a spliff and sight up star. No vanity in our world, just royalty in one Rasta girl. Them Babylon gal chase style and gold, but me queen got wisdom fi all. She teach me patience, teach me truth. Love rooted like mango tree youth. And in the night, when moonlight kiss her skin so bright, me hold her tight. We chant till morning light. She no want diamonds, she want peace. She say let the drama cease. We laugh loud, we live slow. In the river of life we float and flow. She wrap her arms round me soul, fill me spirit, make me whole. No tension, no fight, no stress, only blessings and righteousness. She said, Rasta man build this with care. Don't just love me, be always there. So me vow with a sacred word. Me heart, me life, she already heard. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. Years pass but the flame still blaze. Me still lost in her mystic gaze. Me give her songs, she give me strength. Together we go any length. She paint me right, we create sound. She pick herbs straight from the ground. Our little youth them running wild. Zion family, nature child. And when we all still hand in hand, still burn a spliff, still overstand, still chant a hymn before we sleep, still all a love that runs so deep. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me.
Raggamuffin soldier, yeah man.
Me wake up with the sunrise gold. In the hills, just story told. Me sip ital, me eyes them low, but me mind fly high like rivers flow. One draw of the spliff, me soul ignite, me vision bright in a peaceful light. No rush, no noise, just breeze and tree. Me grounded deep like ancient sea. Smoke and silence, that's me prayer. Me find me strength in the clean, cool air. Herba healer, bring me near to Jaja voice, so crystal clear. Me nah need crowd, me nah need show. Just earth and rhythm and roots fi grow. Smoke and silence balance me soul. In a that moment me feel whole. Me walk barefoot on sacred ground. Me hear the universe in every sound. Bird a sing, tree a sway. Me chant praises every day. Me nah judge, me nah fight. Me just burn the chalice in the moonlight. Meditation strong like lion roar. Me heart beats steady to Jaja's core. One love in a each breath me take. Me feel alive when the morning break. Herb open me mind like gateway key. Me spirit dance like waving sea. Me reason with me inner self. Me wealth a peace, not paper wealth. Smoke rise like incense true. Me give thanks for life anew. Smoke and silence, healing vibe. Me ride the rhythm, me nah hide. No tech, no screen, just nature speak. Fi wisdom deep, me humbly seek. Me burn me spliff, fi open door to realms unseen, to I man core. Smoke and silence, that's the way. Me live me truth each blessed day. Me teach me youth, fi calm them mind, fi trod apart that Babylon blind. Me plant herb tree with loving hand. Me cultivate life on Jaja land. No war, no worry, no mental chain. Just peace like cool and cleansing rain. Me sit with elders, chant in a line. Me elevate soul through ganja sign. So if the world feel heavy and low, come in a Zion, echoes flow. Smoke a draw, sit in peace. Let the pressure and pain release. Me nah last, me fully aware. Me soul connect in the mountain air. Smoke and silence, me guidance high. One love forever till the day me fly.
Yo, me wake up in the morning, sun a shine bright. Jah bless me life, keep me soul feeling right. Step out on the street, hear the rhythm, me nah hear, me nah fear. Cause the most high always they near. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jaja guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living under light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Babylon a come, but me nah go run. Stand firm like a lion, me nah bow to none. Them try feel lock we down, but me spirit too strong. Chant a psalms, make them know say Jah dey on me tongue. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jaja guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living under light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Rasta man chant pon the rhythm, feel it deep. Roots and culture, this your vibe, can't sleep. Me nah take no poison, me nah sip no lean. Natural meditation, the highest me seen. Me burn the stress, me burn the pain. Me only keep the love in me brain. Me nah war, me nah fight for no fame. Real reggae warrior, me stay in a million. Jah bless we all, make the music shine. Reggae pan top, still they on the front line. One heart, one soul, one life, one time. Keep it real, keep it blessed, make the love align. Saya